There's so many tooth whiteners out there. They're messy, expensive, and they don't really work. Dentists use light therapy to get fast and bright results, but that can cost thousands. Now you can use this same dentist technology in the comfort of your own home with the all-new 20-Minute Dental White. 20-Minute Dental White is a complete tooth whitening system that gets your teeth up to 8 shades lighter in one easy and safe 20-minute treatment. It's so simple to use. First, apply a healthy vitamin E treatment with the included special swabs. Then simply attach the pre-filled gel tray to the advanced LED accelerator light. Insert into your mouth and turn on the light. The gel's special formulation goes to work immediately, producing an oxygen action that helps break apart the molecules of the stains. And the light helps speed up the process even faster. The 20-Minute Dental White Professional Light Therapy System is clinically proven to give you dramatic whitening results with no pain or sensitivity. Even teeth stained by years of coffee, wine, or smoking. You also get our whitening pen. Just brush on the specially formulated gel for additional whitening power and for maintaining your new whiter look. Plus, use the LED accelerator light after applying too. So forget those ineffective, messy strips and expensive trips to the dentist. Get instant results in up to 8 shades whiter at home and at a fraction of the cost.